At IDF 2025, Turkish defense giant Roketsan showcased the Alpagut loitering munition, a lethal, precision-guided drone engineered to adapt to modern battlefield demands. Originally introduced at the Saha Expo 2022, Alpagut has rapidly matured into a versatile strike solution capable of engaging a broad spectrum of land and maritime targets, from vehicles and infrastructure to electronic systems and enemy personnel. Designed for both day and night missions, the Alpagut boasts an impressive operational reach of over 60 kilometers and can loiter for more than an hour, scanning and surveilling for the perfect moment to strike. Its deployment options are flexible. It can be used solo or as part of a coordinated swarm, offering tactical commanders scalable lethality in contested zones. Equipped with interchangeable warhead types, including blast fragmentation, thermobaric, and armor-piercing, the Alpagut is adaptable to various operational profiles. Once airborne, it transitions into surveillance mode, transmitting live video to operators. Upon target confirmation, it autonomously locks on and dives with pinpoint precision. Its dual-mode seeker, designed to resist jamming and remain undetected, ensures reliable performance even in electronic warfare conditions. Built for seamless integration, the drone fits both manned and unmanned platforms, from helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft to UAVs and USVs. Compact and quiet, weighing just 45 kilograms with a 2.3-meter fuselage and a 3-meter wingspan, it is powered by an electric motor that significantly reduces its acoustic footprint, making it ideal for covert operations. The Alpagut is the result of a strategic partnership between Roketsan and STM, combining missile technology with advanced UAV development. This collaboration aims to fulfill the Turkish armed forces' evolving needs while expanding export potential. By equipping UCAVs like the AKINCI with Alpagut, Turkey enhances its ability to carry out long-range, high-precision missions without endangering pilots. This loitering munition isn't just tactical, it's strategic. Alpagut's swarm capability allows multiple drones to operate in concert, increasing strike saturation against enemy defenses. This is particularly crucial in multi-layered combat scenarios where overwhelming firepower and real-time coordination are key to success. Its advanced targeting suite includes electro-optical and infrared sensors, enabling it to detect camouflaged or low-visibility targets with high accuracy. Flying between 300 and 1,500 meters, it maintains a low profile while retaining a clear vantage point for surveillance and engagement. Alpagut belongs to a transformative class of weapons, loitering munitions, or kamikaze drones, which blend UAV intelligence gathering with missile-like impact. These systems can hover above a battlefield for extended periods, waiting for optimal strike opportunities. Their growing popularity stems from cost-effectiveness, adaptability, and the ability to eliminate high-value targets without deploying traditional air power. Initially designed for CAD, suppression of enemy air defenses, missions, loitering munitions like Alpagut are now being employed against armored units, radar stations, and mobile command centers. Their utility in asymmetric warfare and high-risk zones has made them indispensable in modern arsenals. The autonomy of Alpagut ensures it can operate with minimal human input once activated. Its fire-and-forget architecture means that after target designation, it completes its mission independently, giving operators freedom to oversee broader battlefield dynamics. Despite potential challenges like exposure to countermeasures or signal jamming, the system's advantages, stealth, precision, and affordability, make it a formidable force multiplier. As military technology pivots toward smarter, unmanned platforms, loitering munitions such as Alpagut are setting the standard. Their ability to bridge the gap between reconnaissance and strike roles gives them a unique edge. With continuous upgrades and expanding deployment options, Alpagut is poised to become a cornerstone of Turkey's defense doctrine and a competitive export in the global arms market.